Hello children, let's start with question number 6 today. The circumference of a circle exceeds its radius by 37 centimeter. Means circumference of a circle exceeds its radius. Means radius plus 37. Okay. Find the diameter of the circle. So diameter we have to find. So if we will get the radius, we can find out its diameter by just making its double. So according to question, you can let circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. So circumference of a circle is equal to, it exceeds its radius by 37. So can we write r plus 37 which is equal to this? Okay. Now if you will bring this r this side, it will come in minus. Okay. 2 into 22 by 7, put the value of pi. And here also r and there is also r. So we can take common 1 r. So here will be 2 2 ja 4, 44, 22 into 2 divided by 7 minus, if this is, you are getting, taking it common. So here we will get 1. Okay. Now just take the LCM of denominator, we will get here 7. So 44 minus 1 7 ja 7 and r will be here only. After that 44 minus 7 is equal to 37. We have to get the value of r. So this is in divide, it will go up. And this is in multiply, so it will come down. 37 and 37 will get cancelled one time. And we will get here 7 centimeter as radius. We have to take out the diameter. So diameter will be equal to what? 7 twice of radius. 7 plus 7, that is 14 centimeter. Okay, this equation is important. According to question, it is given that circumference exceeds the radius by 37. So we have form the equation like this. Now question number 7. The diameter of a wheel of a bus is 112 centimeter. Wheel of a bus, its diameter is given. So you can find its radius by dividing it by 2. And we can get the circumference of the wheel. Here how many revolution will it make to cover 1 kilometer 56 meter? You can see students, here is given kilometer and meter and this is in centimeter. So you need to first change this meter or kilometer into centimeter like this. Diameter is given 112, so radius will be 56 centimeter and distance is given 1 kilometer 56 meter. So you will change this into meter. So 1 kilometer, there is 1000 meter plus 56. We will get this in meter. Now you can change this into centimeter by multiplying it with 100. Okay, we have got the distance in centimeter. Now around this wheel is running this distance. Okay, 10,000. 1,05,600 centimeter. Now circumference is equal to 2 pi r, means when the wheel moves, it moves it around its, that is equal to circumference of the wheel. Okay, the distance will be equal to circumference of the wheel. Suppose wheel is like this and it is running one round, that is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so its distance, first we will find out how much distance will it cover when it move one time. So 2 pi r is equal to this, r value we have got 56, so we have got 352 centimeter. Now you know the total distance moved by the wheel, that divided by the number of times it means circumference of the circle, that is one time the wheel moved, the distance moved by the wheel one time. Okay, when it moved one time. This is total distance, this is, and both the distance we have taken in centimeter and this is circumference. Number of revolution will be equal to this divided by this, that is equal to 300 revolution if you will cancel out this. Got it? Okay. Now question number 8. The circumference of two circles are in the ratio 1:3. Its circumference is given 1:3 of two circles. Find the area of the ratio of the areas of the two circles. So here is, we have got that circumference of two circle is 1:3. So suppose circumference of first circle is 2 pi r1 and the circumference of second circle is 2 pi r2. R1 is the radius of first circle and R2 is the radius of second circle. Suppose there is two circle. Okay, first radius is R1 and the second one radius is R2. Circumference ratio is given 1:3. So can we write it like this? 2 and pi will get cancelled. We will get R1 by R2 is equal to 1:3. Means we have got the radius ratio 1:3. So let the radius be 1x and 3x. Okay, radius we have got. Now we have to get the area. Area of first circle divided by area of second circle. Pi r1 square by pi r2 square. Pi will get cancelled. R1 square by R2 square means R1 is 1x and R2 is 3x. So make it square. We will get 1x square by 3 3 is a 9x square. X square will get cancelled. We will get 1:9. Ratio of what? Area of the both the circles. Ratio is 1:9. Okay, now question number 9. A copper wire in the form of a circle encloses an area. This means copper wire encloses the area is equal to 616. If the same wire is bent to form a square, suppose the wire is in this form, circular form, and this same wire is bent in the form of a square. So both the wires circumference will be equal. Area encloses may not be equal, but the circumference will be equal. Okay, so circumference we can make it equal and find out the radius, and after that we will find out the side of the square, and then we can get the area of the square. You can solve it like this. Area of a circle is given. So can we write pi r square is equal to this? From this we can get the value of r. You can see 22 will come down. You can cancel it. 11 to 11 ja, and then 2 308, then 11 table 28 into 7 we will get 196, and 196 is equal to square, so its square will go as a root. You know how to find out the root like this. We know we get its 112 into 7, that is 14 centimeter is the radius. So circumference of radius we can get from this 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7, that is equal to 14. 14 is the radius. Okay, and 44 into 2, that is equal to 88 centimeter is the circumference of the circle. And we know the circumference of circle and square will be equal because it is made with same wire. So perimeter of square, can we write in place of perimeter that is equal to circumference of circle, that is 88 centimeter. Okay, because both perimeter will be equal. So its perimeter formula is 4 into side, that is equal to this, and side value we can get by dividing this 88 by 4. So side is equal to 22 centimeter. If you know the side, we can get the area of a square. Very simple, side into side. 22 into 22, 484 square centimeter is the area of the square. Okay students, now question number 10. Question number 10, 11, 12 you have to try. I will explain you. If you will not be able to do, I will give you its solution, but first you have to try. Okay, ABCD is a diameter of a circle of radius 8 centimeter. This is the diameter and its radius is given 6 centimeter, not 8, 6 centimeter. Means the diameter will be equal to what? 12. And it is given that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. So if its diameter is 12, these parts are equal. You can divide 12 by 3, that is equal to 4 centimeter. This is also 4 and this is also 4. We have to get the area of this shaded region. So here what you have to do, this is a semicircle. Okay, can you find out the area of this semicircle? Yes, pi r square, but what will be the radius of bigger circle? The radius is given 6 centimeter. So by taking radius 6 centimeter, find out the area of this semicircle. Okay, and after that you find out the area of this semicircle. You can see here, this is also a semicircle, white part. So but its radius will be equal to 4. Here we have find out, no? BC or CD is equal 4 centimeter. Pi r square, you can find out this. So this area minus this area, if you will do, you will get this shaded region. Up to here only, this shaded region. And after that, this shaded region also you have to find. So for this, you can see this is also a semicircle, a small semicircle. So you can get the area of this by taking this radius. This full is 4. So radius will be 2. 2 centimeter, take radius and find out the area of this semicircle. But what is the formula of area of semicircle? Area of full circle is pi r square. So area of semicircle will be pi r square by 2. So for each semicircle, you will use this formula only, pi r square by 2 for bigger one. Then for this smaller one, then subtract it, whatever will come, that you will add with this semicircle's area. Okay, this semicircle area also you will find by using this formula. Can you do this? Okay, try out this also and this one. I will send you its solution in WhatsApp group. Okay students, next day we will start construction. Okay.